Well, let's do a Live Good review. Okay, wrapping up the week. Today is November 15th of good old 2024, okay? And every Friday, Live Good does a live Zoom meeting with our founders and owners and CEOs. And we talk about the sales, how many people are joining, how much product is being sold, what are future products, on the way. Okay, how many people have joined in China, Africa? What are the rankings? All right, when you get 2 people, all right, can you become a bronze? Can you get 10 more people and get to be silver, gold, platinum, diamond? Okay, it's exciting when you hear people actually just signing friends and family and people that they might attract just on social media into your downline. Okay, because obviously the more people you sign up, the more you're going to make. Let's just be honest. It's nice to make money. We are an affiliate-based company that we focus income as an affiliate on the membership side. Please remember that, guys. There's my M upside down. Okay. And if you're on your back watching my videos, that looks like an M upside down, doesn't it? Okay. How do we do it? Well, for $9.95 a month, you're a member. Okay. You can go to livegood.com right now. Look at all our products. Check them out. Even our hats and shirts. I own all of them and I never wear them in our videos. That's what's so dumb. I guess I should be a better Live Good team cheerleader, but yeah, I always seem to wear everything that's not my Live Good wardrobe. But anyway, it's up to you guys. Go and just shop around and look at the products. Check them out. Wholesale, retail. All of our products have all the ingredients and all the seals of approval. You'll see we dominate. We have the most expensive products, but we're the cheapest because we're a wholesale company. Guys, we make the products for companies that jack up the prices. Let's just be honest. It's good to be a wholesale company. All right. $10 a month. That's it. If you want to be a member, an affiliate, $40, one and done. And once you're a member, you can see we have an enormous amount of meetings every week. Regardless if you want to do a video like this or whoever you sign up underneath, see here it says my webinars. Okay. Just click the webinar. And look at this. On Monday, we have a meeting with Ryan and Lisa in Designer Products. On Wednesday, Nader Kazan, he does a nice recruiter meeting for about like 30 minutes where he tells you how to recruit and get people to sign up. On Thursday, we have an hour-long one where Ben and Ryan and Lisa and Nader, all four, our Fab Four, they just do a super great 1-hour meeting about the opportunity in the products. And then Friday, like today, we go over everything. Just, the growth, how much product we're selling, what are new products on the way, okay? And that's kind of why I'm doing this video, just doing kind of an update about what I learned from today's Zoom, okay? Now, Nader hosted the meeting. He's our VP of marketing and of field development, okay? That means he's really good at helping you recruit and make money, give you advice and training. He knows his stuff. He's got 30-something years. He's generated not just millions, over hundreds of millions for other companies that he's been involved with over the last 30 years. He's now part owner and part of the Fab Four with Live Good. Okay. Same with our CEO, Ben Glinsky. Been there, done that. He's done everything, guys. He's made his money and he's done traditional MLM. He owns software, which help design and create your pay. Okay. And he only has a couple other companies that he allows his software to decide the enormous amount of paychecks that need to go out. So you can't buy and sell Nader or Ryan and Lisa or Ben. Okay, they've got one hell of a good thing going on right now. They've already made their money. They're very happy where they're at, and they are in total control of packaging, the distribution center, how much shipping and handling is, because it's United States Post Office here in America, DHL International worldwide. We have distribution centers being set up worldwide. Okay. And when it comes down to the cost of a product, for example, let's say Super Reds, which just dominates over Super Beets. The container's bigger. It has better products and it's organic. It's only $14. Super Beets is going to cost you $50 to $60. Why are we 14? Because we are a wholesale based company. We want you to take the products and sell them on Amazon, sell them in your store, or just buy them wholesale for $10 a month. Every product. And put them in your guts. Get in good shape. Guys, I'm almost 60 And I have energy. I can get up. I can wave runner. I've got race bikes, Suzuki Hayabusas. Guys, I have Harley Davidsons. I'm active. I like to go out and hang out at the pool, jump off the diving board and just splash and go crazy. I know the older I get, I'm going to start wearing down this old thing called the old body. My chassis needs lube, oil and a filter just about every day. You don't have a silver beard like this just because you wake up in the morning and spray paint yourself white. Maybe you do. Maybe I had a can of white spray paint and I gave myself a Santa beard. But you learn a lot when you're my age. You learn what you don't want. And that's wasting time. I'm not going to college. I'm not going to city college. I'm not going to sit around all day and just learn, and not earn. I've already done the L, EARN. I get rid of that damn L. I want to earn. I want to make some damn money. If I'm going to trade time, I want money now. Call me crazy, but I don't think you're looking for a hobby. If you are, then let's go buy some Legos and Hot Wheels and crazy stuff and have some fun. And that costs money. But right now, Live Good is designed for you to make some extra money or full-time income. It's up to your efforts. You have to get up and decide what you want out of Live Good. Most people want these products. You can see over here, I got a bunch of Live Good products on top of my little mini fridges. Okay, super reds, super greens. They're awesome. E3 gives you energy. Protein, chocolate and vanilla keeps my 215 to 220 pound body in good shape. Okay, but if you want to see the products, just go to Live Good and check them out. Okay, that's all you got to do. But guys, we're over 1.6 million right now members in less than 2 years. Our birthday is December 13th, 2022 is when we gave birth. So our 2-year anniversary is in about a week or two. Or actually in about a month, let's be honest, because today's November 15th, and we've got December 13th is our birthday. In less than 2 years, 200 countries, 1.6 million members, going on 1.7. And guys, we're doing about $15 to $16 million a month of wholesale sales each month. We got distribution centers going up all over the place. We have people that are making anywhere from $10 to $20 to $30 to $40,000 per month based on $9.95. All right. The number one country right now, as far as affiliates making money, is United States. And it didn't used to be that way. But right now we're number one. Okay. And that's awesome. But guess what? China is number two. That's a no-brainer. All of our Asian territories are just doing awesome. We are in India. We are in Malaysia. We're in Japan. Okay? Guys, yes, we're in China. That's not an easy feat. And to be in India as fast as we are, that is not an easy feat. We're, of course, in Mexico, up north, up in Canada. We are all over Africa, Tanzania to Nigeria. We have distribution centers going up over there, the Gold Coast, all right, the West Coast, the East Coast. Where do you live? We're probably there. And guys, there's no saturation. There's just not. There's zero competition right now. Just join. If you have $49.95, just do it. Get it over with. Because people join underneath affiliates. There's that next maniac that probably looks a little bit like me that might sign up underneath you, that can bring thousands of people to your table. You don't need a lot of people to make a lot of money and live good. You don't need hundreds of thousands of people and grind and grind. Sure, if you want to, you have a better chance of earning more money. That's all I can say. Disclaimer, disclaimer. I can't promise any type of income. But I'll tell you what, if you make posting fun, like for real, like solitaire, posting on Facebook, instead of screwing off posting cookies and pets, talk about Live Good. Here's my link. This is what I do. How did I be successful? How did I become successful and live good? I bought joincory.com. $11 at GoDaddy. GoDaddy forwards to the Live Good capture page. What's a capture page? It's where you put your name and email address in and click and you get information about Live Good. I don't have to do it. There's a YouTube video that talks about the products and the opportunity. And if people want to join, they just go to their email and join. And every day for 30 days, Live Good will email those people or you something about the products, the opportunity. And if you want to opt out, you just at the bottom of the email, opt out, goodbye. You're not knocking on doors meeting. You don't do Zoom calls. You don't do three-way calls. Hey, here's my sponsor, and you talk about things. No, people could care less about that. I know you don't, and I don't. But people, they like to just sit, usually on their cell phone or their home computer, and just watch a video like you're watching now, and you can decide if you want to buy the products or not. Member affiliate? Do you want to be just a normal customer? You guys just decide. I recommend, guys, just get it done. Become a member and get wholesale pricing. The affiliate fee is only $40 one time. Let's get you making $100 to $200 a month, so you can spend $50 to $100 a month on products if you want. And then let's get your cell phone paid. Let's get your heat, electricity, mad money. Let's say you just make an extra $100 a month. It could be a couple movies. Take out your pretty girlfriend, or maybe your handsome hunky husband. Treat him nice, ladies. Buy him, I don't know, maybe some popcorn so you can watch NFL football on Sunday. Us guys, we're pretty happy with just about anything. If you just kiss our cheek, that's pretty much all we need to beat our chest and make us feel good. Okay? But if you have a cell phone, you guys just want to watch videos. Why do you think social media dominates? Emails just kick butt still. You just look at your phone, get messages, delete. Oh, there's a treat. All right, give me something good to eat. But anyway, you just make Live Good fun, and you make it simple. And that will make people usually get the confidence that they can do it. And they start duplicating. All right, your neighbor gets a couple people. Your neighbor 5 houses down, they want to know what's going on. They sign up, and maybe they got friends and family in England. And someone over in England knows someone in France. All right, and then someone went to Italy and met people that own a big old restaurant there. And all of a sudden, 15 people sign up in Italy. And then Italy, they went over to Australia to work on their tan, and they met a bunch of people down under. And then everyone in Australia, they usually know someone in New Zealand or New Guinea. And then all of a sudden, boom, you go over the ocean and go over to Africa. And people are like, oh my God, this is an affordable opportunity. I can do this. And all of a sudden, you got 5 to 10 people in Africa who know people maybe over in Asia. And someone in Japan goes, man, this is cool. And then someone across the borders over in China goes, this is damn cool. That's why China's number 2 in the company right now. Is there a few people in China? Just a little. My biggest downline's Pakistan. Isn't that funny? Man, I got long hair, guys. I got tattoos. I'm crazy. You probably think I might look like I'm from Santa Barbara, California on the beach, and you're right. But you know what? The people in Pakistan love Live Good. They're just kicking butt over there. We're in India. We're in China. We're in every big and small country right now. All right? It's mind-blowing success. I got to hand it to the owners and founders of Live Good, because I'm not an MLM guy. I don't like MLMs. I'm not into buying shampoo for $50 and selling it for $5,000 when it only takes $5 to make. Okay? I've seen MLMs my whole life, especially living here in Salt Lake City. Every MLM has pretty much been founded or created here. Okay? I'm not an MLM guy, but I am a Live Good guy. I believe in it. I know that if you join, that you can figure this out, and on a budget. You got $10 a month? I know you do. You got $49.95? Join. I know you have it. Invest it, and let's get 2 people signed up with you real quick, because you get 2 $25 bills every Thursday. Okay? One sign up, $25 Thursday. We just pay every week. Okay? So let's just get a couple people signed up real quick so you get your $50 back. Then it's like, okay, good. Got my money back. Now what? Now we're going to get you good with emailing. I'm real damn good at email. Okay? Go to orderleadstoday.com and see what I do. I send out 100,000 emails per day with 6 opportunities online, not just Live Good. Guys, I know how to make money online now. Okay? I really do. And I just show you by short videos what I do. And then, usually every Thursday, Friday, I get a chunk of money. Today I made about $1,500. And right now, it's barely afternoon. I'm getting ready for Mike Tyson and Jake Paul to fight tonight. And I've already made $1,500 just in one day. Guys, it's not even midnight yet. Theoretically, every 24 hours is a day. I have no doubt I'll probably bring in a 100 or 200 more bucks somewhere. But to make $1,700 in one day on a Friday, guys, it is awesome. And that money I made, one of the pay is available by tomorrow. And the rest of the pay that I made, I will have that next Thursday and next Friday. So in 1 week, I will have that money in my hand. Most of the opportunities that I do, believe it or not, you get paid the next day if you want. Isn't that awesome? And with LiveGood, you get paid every Thursday. All right. Whatever money you made for the week, previous week, you just go log in Thursday morning, go to a little tab that says My Earnings. You'll see what it is. And usually by that afternoon, it's in your bank. Okay. Worst case scenario, maybe you have to wait an extra day because you're getting paid in Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. Guys, we do it all. There's so many other ways to get paid than US dollar. Okay, I'm just so used to debit card, credit card, and banks. But when you start doing worldwide business, I realize a lot of people just use cryptocurrency. It's a real currency. Most people think of it as a scam or investment, but no, people don't have banks somewhere. They don't like banks. They do like, let's say, Bitcoin, for example. We have iPayout. We have, is it BitPay? We've got you covered. I don't care where you live. We probably have somebody already kicking ass in LiveGood, and you should be the next person. Guys, we're unsaturated. We're not even 2 years old yet. We got 2,000 to 3,000 people per day signing up. Don't screw up and delay. Don't join a month from now. Don't join 3 months from now. Get in now. If you got $50 minus a dime, a nickel, you got $49.95, get your butt in. And then I'm going to send you a nice email and show you exactly what I do. I mean, 100% exactly what I do every day. I don't make $1,700 by accident. It's just by setting up stuff, inviting people, and sitting back and going, damn, it's exciting. Okay, enough. Thank you for your time, guys. Okay. If you have any questions, Cory at CoryDraper.com, email me. If you're on my Facebook page, inbox me. If we need to talk on the cell, I don't mind. It's a time thing with me because I have other stuff that I do. And it's Friday, so I'm getting ready for a big boxing fight. But I'm not shy, guys. If we need to talk, then let's talk. Okay, let's get some good things going in your pocket that pays bills. Okay? And I just want you to do what I do. I want you to copy what I do. If you join me, I really want you to do exactly what I do because it's working. Okay. Joincory.com. Can you guys see it? I always hold it up weird to my webcam where it's too shiny, but you can see. Joincory.com. Check it out. Watch a 6-minute video. Make a decision, in or out. Okay? Have a good weekend if you're watching me live. And thank you for watching my YouTube videos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And just bookmark my Facebook page. I'm easy to get a hold of. Okay, guys. Thanks. Talk to you later. Bye.